Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Mustang Darkhorse and this is by Majorette. So this is from their, I don't know, maybe premium series. That's what I know as of now. So I need to open this and see whether it has rubber tires. I'm hoping that it has rubber tires and possibly metal chassis as well. So we need to see that. So this costed me 600 rupees or 599 to be exact. And let me let's start unboxing and see, because even I'm also curious what they did to this particular series, because the older series are little bit different compared to this, because they did deluxe versions back then. If you guys remember the older Majorettes, I might still have those. I do have those. Like I still have some Bugatti, Lamborghini Sian, which came during that time. I mean, I'm talking about 2022, sorry, 2023, around that time. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. Okay, let me throw that away. So here is the card art. Again, the card art looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this collected a little bit of dust. I just kept it outside. Okay, so the card art looks absolutely gorgeous. If you guys customizing, or if you're having some acrylic box like this, if you want to cut this and keep it in the back, backside as a backdrop, that is going to look absolutely beautiful. And again, I didn't buy everything in this particular series. Let me show you. I did see everything in this series, maybe except for the Lamborghini Sian. But like I mentioned, I do have the Sian, like two Sians in the Deluxe series, which came around 2023. Just along with this kind of box. So one I unboxed it some at that point of time, and one more casting I didn't unbox, but I still have that. It is still in package, and like the original package. So I'm still keeping it. So apart from that, so Hummer EV I personally don't like, so I kept it back. So the Bugatti Chiron per Sport, yeah, these two are the castings I was talking about. These two came during 2023. I unboxed both in my channel. I think blue Bugatti and um, green cyan, if I'm not wrong. So that's the reason I didn't buy those things again. Uh, Apart from that, I bought these two, the Chevy Corvette and anyway the Dark Horse here. So the TRD Pro, I mean, I unboxed this some time back, so I don't want to get the same casting over and over again just because it has a cardboard box inside. I don't want to waste money on same casting. Okay, so here is the box. The box has a really neat artwork, and the box looks really neat. It actually looks really cool compared to the older ones, because the older ones look really blunt, if you guys remember. This one has a beautiful card art, I mean the box art looks really neat. There is nothing inside the box, if you guys are wondering. So let me get to the casting real quick. I don't want to waste any time here. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks, it actually looks really beautiful. And you can see the acrylic headlights here. That is really neat. And literally every detail on the grill here, it is embossed. That looks really great. And it has the phony logo here. And the hood detail looks really nice. This is not a separate piece. This is embossed and painted on top of it. So even though it is just embossed and painted, it looks really beautiful. And it has tail light detailing as well. That looks really neat. You can see the exhaust detailing here. So this has full metal body and plastic chassis. So this is not a full metal casting, but it looks absolutely phenomenal. And the tires are actually rubber. These are not plastic. It has plastic rims and rubber tires. It has rear view mirrors as well, and it has opening parts. So this looks really neat. And I personally love the detailing on this one, because you can see the steering wheel here. That is really great. It is not like a block. It actually has the depth to it, the detailing to it. So this looks really neat. And as I mentioned in one of my previous video, it snaps back right into place. It doesn't feel loose or anything like that. It looks really neat. It does have suspension. I'm hoping that they do a tuned version of this so that we can switch it up. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 34 grams, not bad. See, this is not going to roll at all. I'm pretty sure about that. But anyway, let's try. Wow, That broke my that broke my nose. It does roll really good. I was not expecting that. Again, the older Majorettes never actually roll like this. Even the plastic wheeled ones, I mean, they are really improving on certain aspects, which I personally like. Anyway, I'm not touching on the mainline part. I'm concentrating only on semi premiums and premiums when it comes to Majorettes. So it looks really beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting now. Let me put it like this. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. On the rating aspect, again, absolute 10 by 10. I don't have any issue with it. Even it has a shark fin antenna here. That is really neat. I didn't see that first. Now now I tilted this camera a little bit. I am able to see that. Yeah, it is a 10 by 10 casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.